everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia and welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers. I am so excited to have this new TEMU dupes inspired designer video for you. I know a lot of you have been purchasing items as well and I hope that you're liking them. I have a lot of jewelry and some other pieces to show you today, so I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. I don't even know where to start, but we'll just grab what's closest to me, which are these Versace earrings. They look as so. They're really cute. That's the little hook piece and I absolutely love them. They're so nice. Very nice classic black and gold, and then there's the design in the middle, and here is the other one as so. Really cute. Next I have this Moo inspired earrings. So on this side they're like a Cuban zirconia, and on this side they are white, and I really like the fact that you can wear them on the white side or you can wear them on the sparkly side, but I'm going to take it off so you can see. So this is how it, and I hope I can show y'all. Okay, there you go. That's kind of how the hook looks, how you put it in your ear, or the pin. What do you call this? I don't know. That's how it looks. And I think that's just and I think this is just a creative idea. Really cute, really nice. Looks really dainty. Love that. Then I have this Tiffany inspired ring as so. If I can get it out of the package, it looks as so. It has the numbers. Can y'all see that? Let me see. Let me put it on my finger. Maybe that'll help. It has the numbers in Roman numeral. And that is a size 9. And it again is Tiffany inspired. And that's what it looks like actually on my finger from this side. And if it's really comfortable, I can easily slide it off and on my index finger. I like this. I have another ring, which is the Cartier inspired ring. And this is actually too big. Of course, I went ahead and tried everything on. But that's what it looks like on my finger. This is a size 10. I think it was the only option, so I just got this one. But that's what it looks like. Sorry for the reflection of my camera. I don't have any more rings. I do have some bracelets. So this is a Dior. Make sure I'm holding it right. Dior inspired bracelet. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see it. That's the D, that's the I, that's the O, and the R. The I is a star. Now, honestly, y'all, when I saw this online, I thought it was a ring. So when I was looking at it in the mail, I was like, what? There you go. But it's really cute. It's a cute little cuff. It feels good. I think it's enough sparkle. It feels good. It's really good quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to break on me or anything like that. And this is really nice and secure as well if you have like a larger wrist. It just pops right on. How cute is that? And I do wear silver and gold, so I try to show y'all both. It's the other bracelet, and it is David Yurman inspired. This one's a little bit different, where it has a clasp, where the other ones I've shown you are open. So you just unhook it as so. Let me see. You just unhook it as so. And then you put it back on. Now the trick is trying to figure out if you can get this on and off by yourself. To get it on, I did have to focus a little bit. But there she is. And she looks as so. I am done with the bracelets and we're going to go back to the earrings with these Tiffany inspired earrings. Just love that everything comes very secure. Like everything is in, most things are in at least 2 packages, I will say. And let me get these out. So they look as so. Let me see. You see. Let me get these out. So they look as so. 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 So they They look as so. It's kind of like a bar connection, like they just kind of hook through each other. To put them on, you would just unhook one of them as so. It just literally popped right out. It's just unhooked, and then you'll just slide it in your ear. So this is the one that unhooks as so. But I will say, just make sure you're concentrating, because it's easy for the bottom piece to kind of like fall off, and you don't want to get, let me see if I can show you, you don't want to get frustrated trying to put it on and then like you lose it and that bottom piece just falls off. So definitely make sure you're somewhere where if it does fall off, you're not going to lose it easily, or you know, you're not rushing to where you'll get frustrated. But again, this is how it looks when it's all together. Just, you know, have time and make sure you're somewhere where if it does fall, you know, you're not going to lose it. I'm so excited to show y'all these. I have a pair of Chanel earrings, and when I opened these, I was so excited because it comes with so many additional like bags. At least this package did. Let me lay those down. So it spells out Chanel. So right here we have the CHA, and this one is the NEL. So it looks as so. And you just put one in one ear and one in the other ear. I thought that was so cute. I hope y'all can see okay. And it comes with some extra bags that look as so. There's like 3 of them. Thought that was really nice and considerate. Of course we have sunglasses, because why wouldn't I have sunglasses? So as you can see, they have the little bag, and then the actual sunglass part is covered, and they are Gucci inspired. As you can see, I don't know if the green, is the green showing up good for y'all? Well, it's like green, red, and green on the side. Girl, who are you? I love this frame. Okay, let me try to show y'all. That's what it looks like. This frame is huge. It like covers my eyebrows. Hey girl, let's go get brunch. I like these. Ooh, y'all can really see the green right there. I like these. They don't move easily. Very secure. I like these. I have a Gucci inspired purse that you can actually, this would be really convenient for sporting events. It does have a chain, so you could wear it as a crossbody, or you can like loop this. I saw a picture where they put it around their waist. Really convenient. That's what the little ball looks like. Also has another ball and clasp at the end. Let me put this on so y'all can see real quick. All right, so this is the actual little purse, like kind of like a wallet or a billfold. Just have room for your cards, some money, maybe some lip gloss. I really like this for sporting events. And then this is what the strap looks like. Hope y'all can see okay. Now this adjusts. So basically, let me show you. You can pull this and make it tighter or make it looser. But what you would do is you would kind of like, I can't really show y'all, but if you wanted to wear it, around your waist, you could like loop it through the back. That's how you put the strap on. You would loop it through the back, and then you can pull on this to adjust it, to loosen it, to tighten it around your waist. And then you just use this back part to loop it and give you that, you know, the extra length or tightness that you need. Thought that's really convenient, really cute. Next, I have something for your shoes, and I do not want to mess up the pronunciation of this brand, so I will, you know, have my pictures like you've been seeing. But the thing that I love about these is that you can just clasp it on your shoe, as so. And here's the other one, and I did get my shoes so I can show you. So I got my clear heels. Let me see real quick. Let's put this on. Little demonstration. So this is the before, and so I'm going to just open it up as so, pull that up, and then I'm going to just lay my shoe and close it. And close it. You may have to move it around just a little bit. Ta-da! How cute is that? Now we have to test it out. I mean, I'm going to be sitting down. But just in case you want to dance, do a little step, little 1, 2. I mean, hopefully you wouldn't be doing that much moving. But it's not moving. It's really secure. That's just really cute. If you're wearing like a plain outfit, this piece right here could really, you know, put it on your earrings, your necklace, throw this on your shoes. And the thing I love about it is that you don't just have to wear it with a clear heel. You can, you know, take it off and you can put it on any color heel. And when they came in the mail, they were very secure. They are wrapped up in here as so. And then in the plastic baggie, and then of course in a TEMU bag. Yeah, you shouldn't have to worry about them getting messed up. Now I'm going to show you 2 items that you haven't seen me show in one of these videos. Before I show you these 2 items, I'm going to tell you that I have tried the TEMU perfume before. They do have dupes of designer perfume. I have tried the Saint Laurent, Mi Paris. I have tried Burberry Her. I feel like there's something else. I can't think of it right now. But needless to say, both of them did smell like the real ones. And I only bought ones that actually own the real ones that you can kind of see right there. But both of them smelled like the real one. But they only lasted like 5 minutes. So I really don't recommend the dupe perfumes. But they did have the dupe of the Dior lip oil. Now the first one that I ever purchased did have the little cute thing on the top, as you'll see over here, but the other ones I've purchased didn't have the cute little round piece at the top. And I have been consistently wearing these. It looks as so, and I really like them. They just smell like a lip gloss, a lip oil, nothing special. And they do come in a variety of shades, and they are secure in their packaging. So this is how it comes packaged. There's plastic around it, if y'all can see, but I took this one out of the package. And then like I said, it used to have the little ball on top, but for some reason I can't find any more that has the little cute ball on top. Then there's a lip liner that I absolutely love. It comes packaged like this, and the reason why I love it is because it looks like, I already opened it, but it looks like a big crayon. Y'all know the big crayons. And I just love how much coverage I get. And then you can just twist it as so. Really, really like these. And I will have the lip oil and the lip pencil link down below as well. I'm just trying to make sure I showed y'all everything. I really like everything that I showed you. The only one that I'm a little nervous about is this right here. You cannot be rushing, okay? You cannot be rushing. There may be ones that are like easier to do, but you cannot be rushing and you cannot be over your bathroom sink, okay? It's not gonna turn out too good. But I really like everything that I've shown you today. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Let me know anything else that y'all would like to see. Hopefully I will have another Amazon inspired dupes coming soon. I really do like Temu though, because the prices are a lot less and they have the same items that they have on Amazon. Quick disclaimer, if you decide to order the items from Temu, it is going to take 1 to 2 weeks for your items to get to you, versus Amazon where, you know, it may be overnight or 2 to 3 days for most things that you would purchase, because the items from Temu are coming from overseas. So just know that if you order something, you may be waiting for a little bit, but everything that I have purchased has gotten to me just fine. And I try to be very honest and transparent with you about what I like, what I don't like, what I recommend, what I don't recommend. I appreciate all of y'all for watching these videos. I also appreciate the support of y'all clicking those links and buying those items as well. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe and turn the post notification. I will see you in the next one. Bye.